Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share a Nankhatai recipe that is made usually during the Diwali time, and Diwali is around the corner. So let's start the recipe. So this is very easy and tasty, and you can prepare in oven or in a pressure cooker. So here in the bowl I am taking half cup of ghee. So I'm using the same measuring bowl for all the ingredients. So here I have taken half bowl of sugar, that is powder sugar. So if you are using a regular sugar, just grind them in a mixture and make a powder. And I have added half teaspoon of elaichi powder, that is cardamom powder. And now we will whisk it until you see it's become light and fluffy. You will see it change its color. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of yogurt, that is dahi. Give it a mix. It will be more lighter and fluffier. Now I am adding around 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So yogurt will help keep the Nankhatai moist, and soda will help it rise the Nankhatai, and it will make it more softer. So now with the same measuring bowl, I am adding 1 bowl of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and around 2 to 3 tablespoons of soji, that is rava, and also known as semolina. So let's just give it everything a good mix. We want to mix until it's well combined, and then we will knead the dough with a hand. Now you can see everything is well mixed. Now I will knead it with the hand. So now right now it's a little bit like runny dough, but once you will knead it everything, it will be more soft and smooth dough. Now you can see it's become more smooth dough. Now I will use 1 big spoon, that is around 1 tablespoon, so that we will get like the same size Nankhatai. So now just roll the dough between your palms. So we just want to roll it until you don't see any cracks. It will be like smooth ball. Now just place them like at the distance, because it will be like sprayed. It will be spread out. Don't press too hard, just roll gently. Same way I will finish making all balls. So this measurement will make around 20 to 22 Nankhatais. So here I am using the pista, chopped pista. If you want, you can use almonds or cashew or any nuts of your choice. Just press them with a little bit of pressure. And now I have preheated my oven at 170 degrees Celsius, that is 340 Fahrenheit, and I have placed them for 13 minutes. Now you can see it's baked perfectly. It took me 13 minutes exactly, and you can see it is super soft and crispy, and this is so delicious. So do try my way. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.